Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be making cassava flakes, or you can call it Bobozee. So if you are interested, stick around and let's get started. So guys, here are the cassava and the coconuts that we are going to use for this recipe. So I will start by peeling the cassava. So you just have to take all the bad parts of the cassava. So as you can see, I've finished peeling the cassava. I'm just going to wash it. You need to wash your cassava properly, guys. So now I'm just going to put it inside my boiling water. I'm going to cook this cassava for 10 minutes. But guys, you need to keep an eye on your cassava because you don't want your cassava to overcook. So now our cassava is ready. I'm just going to put this cassava inside cold water to stop the cooking process. As you can see, I'm just going to be slicing the cassava to the shape that I want. You can slice it to any shape of your choice. So guys, if this is your first time in my channel, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and also remember to hit the notification bell so that you never miss any of my upcoming videos. So you need to take off the stem that is in the middle of the cassava, and I'm going to fill this cassava with water and I'm going to cover it. I will leave it for 24 hours. So this is the next day. I've just kept this cassava for 24 hours. Now I'm just going to show you guys the way it looks like, as you can see. So now I'll take it to my sink. I'll give it a nice wash. You need to wash your cassava very well until you see that the water is well clean. You need to continue washing. Repeat the washing process until you see that the water is bright and clean. So guys, if you have watched to this moment, thank you so much. Thank you for your support. Thank you for everything that you have been doing for this channel. I so much appreciate. So please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. As you can see, I'm just going to be washing the Bobozee until I notice that the water or the Bobozee is well clean. So I'm just going to be washing my coconut. Guys, you can use coconut to eat Bobozee. You can use groundnut. You can use cashew seed. You can just eat it like that. So I love this recipe so much, most especially during summer. It's so nice and very easy to make. So guys, I want to appreciate you all that have watched to this moment, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video with another delicious recipe. Ciao.